This is Minelab's new metal detector called the Safari. Now the best way of describing this detector is it's a simple switch on and go version of the Explorer SE and E-Track detectors. Now although this is a cut down version of those machines, it still retains a lot of their power and performance because it shares the same technology. That technology is called FBS, full band spectrum, and what it does is it transmits a multi-frequency into the ground, which is very good at finding different types of metals, regardless of how bad that soil type is.
On the front panel you have 4 buttons giving you a choice of 4 preset factory programs. The 4 preset programs are coin and jewelry on the left hand side, relic and all metal on the right. Another important thing to note with these programs is that the sound process is preset and not adjustable. So what this means is the left hand buttons use conduct sounds, giving low tones on thin objects like small hammered through to high tones on large lead, copper coins and large iron. The 2 right hand buttons, relic and all metal, use ferrous sounds, giving low tones on high ferrous objects like iron and small hammered, and high tones on low ferrous objects like copper coins. In addition to the 4 preset factory programs, it is also possible to save up to 4 of my own custom programs. Here I am constructing an all metal mode based on conductivity sounds. I am removing the blacked out discrimination pattern by highlighting each segment using the arrow keys and removing them by pressing the accept reject button. To save my custom program, I choose any of the 4 factory preset buttons and hold them down until I see save displayed in the screen. Now when I switch on Safari, I can toggle between the factory preset program and any of the 4 custom programs that I've saved. Another feature on the Safari is the noise cancel button, which once pressed will find the quietest frequency for the Safari to work on. This feature is great if there's outside interference from power lines or other metal detectors working nearby. In the menu system there are 6 choices. Sensitivity is normally set in auto, but in some situations it may be possible to get more performance by manually setting this control. The next control is threshold, and adjust the threshold volume. If you use headphones, you'll probably want to turn this control down from 12 to 9. You also have another noise cancel control in the menu system. This works the same way as the noise cancel button does on the front panel. Target volume sets the highest volume that you will hear from a detected target. Contrast adjusts the visibility of the LCD screen. You can also adjust the trash density setting depending on how much iron there is where you're detecting.